You're exhausted, yet you've done nothing all day. The guilt is eating you alive. You have the deadline, the plan, and the motivation, but you literally cannot move. You think it's a character flaw. You call it laziness. But here's the truth. Your brain has physically locked your muscles because it's convinced that your to-do list is a predator trying to kill you. Today, we're stopping the shame and starting the thaw. When the pressure of a task hits a tipping point, your brain doesn't just get stressed, it performs a tactical retreat. It skips fight or flight and drops you straight into dorsal vagal shutdown. This is an ancient survival tactic. If a prey animal can't outrun a lion, it plays dead. Heart rate drops, limbs go heavy, and the brain numbs the body. Your procrastination isn't a time management problem, it's an emotion regulation problem. Your brain is playing dead to protect you from the perceived pain of failure. You can't discipline your way out of a biological shutdown. You have to move your way out. Stop right now. Scan your body. Is your jaw clenched? Are your shoulders touching your ears? Are you holding your breath? That is your muscular armor. Specifically, your psoas, the muscle of the soul, is screaming. It's pulling your body into a microscopic fetal position, bracing for an impact that isn't coming. Trying to work in this state is like trying to drive a car with the emergency brake pulled up. You're burning fuel, you're redlining your engine, but you aren't moving an inch. To start working, you don't need a new planner. You need to tell your nervous system that you aren't dying. Step 1. Micro movements. Wiggle just your toes. That's it. Step 2. Shaking. Shake your hands like you're getting water off them. Step 3. Vagal toning. Hum a low note, to vibrate your chest. This signals your brain, I am moving, I am safe, I am not trapped. Once the body feels safe to move, the brain will feel safe to think. Use the action bridge. Don't write the paper. Just open the doc and change the font color. Stop shaming the version of you that was just trying to survive. You weren't lazy, you were frozen. And now you know how to melt. Which part of your body feels frozen when you're stressed? Your neck? Your breath? Leave a comment with I am thawing, and let's break the cycle together. Subscribe to Unforced Mind. We build productivity through science, not shame. Movement is power. Stay unforced.